Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is made especially for Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about torch not working problem if flashlight is not turning on. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.